There are certain positions how the players tour. We've said this time and again. Kudus kind of football now, Bono. And how many teams and a cover Kudus type in the number 10?
West Ham boss a wing forward.
Yes. How many teams? And I did Kudus Mohammed Beboas number 10 and ne. Men cast a Kudus in Bobo. Mean to me, you know, baby, and cast a Kudus in Bobo. Mekasa na Nino Kre. Kudus is a very good player, but the style of play, no, I was a coach one hour and 1 Juma. He started this particular season. Now Kudus Mbobo and she go and from our West Ham. One of their best players last season. Near Bob F 6 matches in the Premier League. Now Kudus and she go. That game, no. After the first half, second half, the coach lead the film. And the coach and say, Kudus born now all bono. No more here, more better me more like team players. And until decided to obey you, Kudus Mama denied the bay. I didn't film. Kudus Aqua Contranche. The next game, Kudus performed very well, played as a team player, eventually, on the first goal of the season. Coach in this decision, no take you know. Oma Mohamed Kudus will say, oh, you don't want to obey the overball. But one month said, I made me pen on, I mean to me for one moment in a year.
Yeah.
And Kudus operated very well on the flanks. Or the nebo as an auxiliary striker behind the lead striker. Kudus Jibon or better Chesa. Time I said so really Jibon a company or Kitabon ama striker and eye off. Until no America. Some I could build a bench. 1 month to move. But it doesn't matter because Abranti any numbers this season. Ekasamano. It is all players. On one or one, move me put Kudus on the flanks. Now the Kudus boss our flanks in this we are. Now the Michael Bedro about Begina the number 9 echi. Or a midfielder. But the team Omobono as a force 9 at times. Because Obohon more goals. This season. About 25 matches. Was 10 goals, Roma 4 assists. I was Swedish League. The numbers in the Kasama Brantiano.
On your forward, so
there be on your number 9, on your striker, a midfielder. But because he has an eye for goal, and Tiatoda, and as most of their games, normally a Brantiana as a force number 9.
Okay.
In a 3-man forward, no, Jinem 15. Because coaches then will say, will be our man a chance to do a midfielder, but we have chance no better. Who you coach the Frima? What we coach this in chain. Aside coach Otto Addo. Players Nankasadian almost so yama. This has been a semi maker for days. And Mr. James Kwesi appear in the Sudan team na bomb home day pa. But no cray back up. Ghana and Yab draw because that Sudan is exceptional. Let's be honest. You draw you because your chances die in ya no. Ya intimi am converted.
Senator na Otto Addo cast Sudan for no me lucky no.
Forget about them be lucky. We were poor up front. And they be lucky.
Okay.
Omo you lucky whenever. Ya mo home day one ni mu ho. E mo Otto Addo make kan sam nche ni pa bufu. Your chances are say you convert it. Now you the way you move on. We couldn't convert them.
And then so Semenyo view.
Semenyo Kudus. And then lack and Ankasana for Ghana. Say lack Obama. Now follow on a player friend Semenyo. He had all the opportunities. When to be a bunch, chances no be any no blade them away. You poor up front. My Ankasa Sudan in their lack. There be. We had opportunities. First half, born and Ghana, but I'm impressed. Because in the first half, born and I but for go ma. We couldn't create chances in the first half. Somebody be free middle. Somebody be free flanks. We couldn't create any form of chance in the first half. If you play about the Sahani, about the Sahani will be a corner baby. So you create clear cut opportunities in the first half, not a problem. Now you're intimate. But in the second half, the guys played and created decent chances in the second half. And what did I say? Coaching one of the problems. But when we are coaching it now, when you coaching us in China, you look at players. Oh, Muzu Jine Momusi a kind of Ghana. Until now, so Kaya. na me ka say nkomo na ketokre kuni players di ye no ensebro oni players ne kan ye no na ye the players have to be up and doing chances no munya no mo say no blame you to ado anya yie coach aye selection or the original game nim wonya gidie wo mu me problem with Otto Addo a placement of Mohamed Kudus on the field of play me feel say no matter na Moa Kudus he should operate like operate to a West Ham and we are going to get the best from the player.
But what try on several occasions
yes
and
he's our best player. It is a one to be and you see here I'm on am perform here ukum team no team bia when the key player upo umpo a sanity all over the world.
Senegal
when the key player functions it will coaches now key player another player be they build their system around that player.
Senegal fire Sadio Mane ko tender NC
because when you there on na carry team on.
Yeah.
So place the player baby obenya the day obetimi function well na Ghana enya results. Okay. No was about the couple players so once because omo call mo clubs mo baby e no mebo bi omo function. Eti asem no kakura hu na asem ne ka. Okra hu ne ka because when they go to Europe, Opama yenyin free position obo enkonkobo foforo they are going to perform.
Rainbow 2 krobo.
But why don't they do same when they come to the Black Stars? And the chances upon chances. Bona Mohamed Kudus boy ma keeper save here. Antoine Semenyo on countless occasions. And you told the Nancy Park let me bobo in Shemawana. Utoado di eni to obey you. And you are Jina Park and so. Second half, chances now you create you know. So now you're more efficient up fronter. Second half them corner was get to Sudan by 3 goals. But there are both chances in out to go. And then here we are. We will talk about Sudan say what lack. When we weren't efficient up front. When a new one no. Yana yanya juma ye. Chances now you create you know. There were clear cut opportunities. Clear cut. And chances at down. I also be to be boshe. At this level, when you need the 3 maximum points, but they are not going to Ginano. Then these players they say our chances no. So say chances we at this level now ya say one kasa when you marry and put a whoop go ase. Eti brand and kasa nke ka omo. Antoine
Semenyo
boy si wanim. Afei na wo be chest ball no. Baby na wo giran as a striker. As a striker. No but chance we are say that we are. Ni aba catch Sudan for no lack. And it make us a question apia bon homo so aba be nya draw Ghana. But draw na your ball neno. And yes Mr. James kwasi apia ni Sudan team no aye adwuma mrusuo. Debi. Yen na yen timi an convert your chances aye nyae. Chances do say na Sudan nyae. How many chances and a Sudan team ni nyae? How many chances did Sudan team no create here? Sudan to create an obvious goal scoring opportunity, not a problem.
Omo chance omo yero do na a set piece.
Not a problem. So much bobo na work your way to the defense. Create a glorious opportunity. Yeah, who be?
Yeah, be.
The Black Stars defense did very well. And Mashale omo attack no. But ye bobo ni we ko duro ni mo no ma. Ni akwa sai ball no. Ye wi na ya base na Sudan wo lack. Abra wo anye waduma yie. Ghana still has a chance of qualifying. Slim, but there's still a chance.